The massive flow of water over the dam off Coleman's Lake Road in Dinwiddie County is also rushing water over a nearby road and bridge. White foam can be spotted escaping from the force of the water. About a half dozen roads and bridges in Dinwiddie County affected by Tuesday's rain. The end result, road closed signs and drivers forced to turn around and find an alternate route. Joshua Altman drives Wilkerson Road regularly.
Pretty much every day, every morning.
Now and for the next several days, if not longer, Altman will have to find a detour.
It's a big inconvenience because, I mean, like, so this road's used a lot, and then, so yeah, a big inconvenience.
Across Dinwiddie County all day Wednesday, drivers see the sign, slow down, and turn around. No explanation needed as to the reason, like here on Hardaway's Mill Road.
The water exceeded the capacity of the pipe. It was an older pipe and it did fail and washed the road away.
Left in its wake, a 30-foot wide and nearly 30-foot deep hole.
We'll have to excavate the existing pipe in the head walls and then replace it with a new pipe and backfill, build the road back.
Water flows over the bridge here on Wheeler's Pond Road. The bridge built in 1966 has survived many a storm, but any bridge with water flowing over the top can't be opened to the driving public just because the water recedes.
We want to make sure it's safe and that there has not been any damage to it because of the water and the rushing water around it.
While some of the flooded roads here in Dinwiddie County will reopen in the next 24 to 72 hours once the water recedes, others will not. They will force drivers to continue to make detours for many months to come. In Dinwiddie County, Wayne Colville, CBS 6 News.